Hey there! Today we're going to learn about the structures in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see I have this file created a while ago, ex62_structures.c, and a structure is a user-defined data type that groups related variables of different data types. A structure declaration includes the keyword struct here on line 3, a structure tag for referencing the structure, and curly braces with a list of variable declarations called members. So we can add for example an int id, any data type that we can add in here. So we can also add character title of 40 that has the size of 40 characters, and the float hours for floating point values. So this struct statement defines a new data type named course. So the data type name is course that has 3 members. So these are the members. Structure members can be of any data type, including basic types, strings, arrays, pointers, and even other structures, as you will learn in the upcoming videos. And just a quick note that you do not forget to put a semicolon in here, semicolon after the structure declaration. A structure declaration or a structure is also called a composite or aggregate data type. Some languages refer to structures as records, so make sure to put semicolon at the end for structures. And that's it for this introductory of structures. And before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab. So I want you to fill in the blanks to declare a struct. So as you can see, there's a missing piece of information in here that needs to be filled in. And if you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.